Hello everyone. In this particular presentation today, I will do a discussion of what to expect from the remainder of 2024, the 5 or 6 week of 2024 that remains, how the numbers or the inventory of Alberta PNP can reflect in the invitations to apply for different candidates. Throughout 2024, we did a lot of analysis about the numbers declared by Alberta PNP, and what I have felt that in all those analysis and all those number heavy analysis, some of the high level details could be lost. So in this particular presentation, let's look at what remains of the 2024 inventory for Alberta PNP, and then how the remaining weeks or days of 2024 can play out. So if you look at the Alberta PNP issues nominations under these 8 streams or categories. We have discussed each of these categories in quite a bit of detail throughout 2024. So let's look into how the current inventory numbers, which was declared I think on 7th of November, looked for each of these streams. So Alberta Opportunity Stream had a remaining allocation of 199, Rural Renewal Stream 73, Tourism and Hospitality Stream 201, Dedicated Healthcare Pathway 230, Accelerated Tech Pathway doesn't have any nominations, Law Enforcement Pathway has a nominal nomination of 8 allocations remaining, and the last 2, Priority Sector and Family Connection and Demand, doesn't have any inventory left for 2024. So if you are a candidate who is still waiting for an invitation to apply, or maybe even applying for Alberta PNP, you should know that if going by the pure numbers of allocations remaining, this is how the streams of Alberta PNP would rank. Dedicated Healthcare Pathway has the most numbers remaining, followed by Tourism and Hospitality Stream, and Alberta Opportunity Stream takes the last podium position, 3rd position of 199. Rural Renewal Stream and Law Enforcement Pathway still have certain nominations slots remaining, and the other 3, Accelerated Tech Pathway, Priority Sector and Family Connection, Occupation and Demand, just have no nominations remaining. Okay, so this is how the total breakup of 711 nomination slots remaining out of the 9750 allocations given to Alberta, which translates to roughly around 7.3% of the allocations given to Alberta. 7.3% is still open and outstanding. Now, based on this particular data, can we do a prediction of how the invitations for the remainder of year will be issued? Again, I'm no expert, but just looking at the numbers. So to do that particular prediction, what I have to do is I have to see these numbers of remaining certificates along with how many applications are there in queue. We know that the current pool size has already grown to 30,000 plus. But what is important is how much applications Alberta PNP already has under each of these queues. So Dedicated Healthcare Pathway has the most number of allocations remaining. But if you see the numbers of applications in queue, there's only 36 applications in queue. So Dedicated Healthcare Pathway has a lot of room to accept new nominations or new nomination applications. Tourism and Hospitality Stream has around 201 application slots remaining. This is second most application slots remaining in Alberta PNP, and it has only 129 applications remaining. Again, we all understand that not all applications will be converted to a nomination. So if you consider that fact, there is a lot of room for new applications under both the Dedicated Healthcare Pathways and the Tourism and Hospitality Stream. Now, Alberta Opportunity Stream is only 3rd in the podium, right? So it's almost as same as tourism and hospitality stream as far as the number of allocations remaining. But just look at the applications in queue. It already has 1400 applications in queue, right? And if similarly in the rural renewal stream, it has more than 1400 applications in queue for only 73 nominations slots remaining, right? So if I just look into this set of data, there are other set of data that are out there, but I'll just concentrate on these 4 streams for right now. So if you look into this, right, Alberta PNP can very well invite just candidates for dedicated healthcare pathway and tourism and hospitality stream for the remainder of the year. If they don't invite anyone from Alberta opportunity stream or the rural renewal stream, they still have enough applications in queue to process these remaining 199 or 73 applications. So this is one of the reasons I was talking in one of my earlier videos where I was kind of based on these numbers. Again, not an expert, only an opinion. As per my understanding and opinion, the next few draws of 2024 will solely consist of dedicated healthcare pathway or tourism and hospitality stream. Maybe it can do both, but this makes more sense for them to invite more people under these particular streams, right? To be honest, it doesn't make sense for them to invite under Alberta opportunity or rural renewal because of the fact that they already have their hands full with number of applications in queue. Until and unless they decide on these applications and then invite new candidates, by that time 2024 would be over. Okay. And then the remaining pathways, law enforcement pathway has less than 10 applications remaining. Accelerated tech pathway has no slots but 510 applications remaining. So most of them would probably move to next year. Priority sector has less than 10 applications remaining, and family connection and occupation and demand has no applications in queue. So let me know if you agree with this analysis, if there is any kind of difference in opinion you have, or any kind of understanding, or if your reading of data is a bit different from what I did. Let me know in the comments, and we will be more than happy to discuss that. So I hope you got some values out of this particular presentation, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much.